Alright, hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I am gonna be talking about shebang with Python. So let's get started. What is shebang? So let us learn what and how we can use shebang. So let me define a function. First of all, to explain this example, define my func. It's gonna do nothing as usual. Oops, forgot the colon. Print. What's happening today? All right. So print. All right. Hello world. All right. So that's it. And let me just write score name underscore equals to. So my func. Let me run this and quickly show you. Then I'm gonna be showing you shebang in action. All right, so we got hello world. That's easy. We know that. Now what is shebang? Let me show you a small demo of that. So if you type just one line of code on the top, so what you can do is you can directly run this code without basically adding a in the terminal. You don't need to specify like python3 name of the file.py. Let me show you a demo out of it. So let me open this in a terminal. Show in the terminal. All right, so let me do an ls. So name of the file is shebang.py. So I got to give first the permission by saying chmod +x shebang.py. We have given the permission. Now here is the magic. You don't have to say python3 python, or the interpreter will automatically know which python to use and from where to use the so let me show you. Oops, shebang.py. That's it. Boom, we got hello world. So here you see I just specified /name of the file.py. I did not I did not I do not have to type like python3 shebang shabang.py. So here you can see the interpreter knows which python to use. So this is what shebang is. We specify the path of the interpreter. This is a python interpreter. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, doubts, or concerns, leave that in the comment section below, and I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So let's stop the video right here and see you guys in the next video.